So guys, you can go ahead and go. No, watch. Let's go, 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 go.
Yeah, tell him pull it around the back.
Get it started easy. All you need is a pro pad. Plug it up on the side by the flow mat. Don't need to start it up. Put it in neutral and let it roll. If you wonder how I know, cause YouTube brown but down. Robbing nigga that OD till his pockets pay his debt off. Bitch so bad I took 2 minutes, I couldn't even get a sweat on. Bro, I'm fair and square up the block. Told him that was off. I probably sold a couple pills before, but I don't mess with no. Post a snitch.
Let's go.
Get a bro.
Yeah. Go, go, go. We gotta do pics with this car, bro. Yo, I need to run out. I gotta go, bro. I forgot where I gotta go, bro. Oh, never mind. We're going to the pit. Yeah. You got these. Bro, ProPad helped me out so good, bro. I gotta slow down a little bit. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Yo! Hurry up. I probably already want to, bro. Oh, that's a good drift. Flames. Oh shit, I'm off. Ooh, the blue flames. Ooh, that blue flames. I need blue flames. I know where I'm going, bro. I'm not going straight. I'm going straight. Just trust me, bro. Just trust me. Oh, what's the pig? Yo. Don't hit, don't bang, don't bang, don't bang, don't bang, don't bang. Ooh, the purple. Change it 'cause the tail light is tough though. Tough. You know what's crazy? You know what? You know, Propad? You know what I be saying? Don't need to start it up, put it in neutral, and let it roll back. Start it up, put it in neutral, man. We out. I gotta show you a couple things before I end the video. Same way I went. The house right here. And the house right here. Wawa. Go to my crib real quick. And then I'm gonna end the video over there so I don't get caught. I gotta hurry up. Oh my lord. Alright, caught it. I just gotta know where I'm going. Oh, that was love. That was luck right there too. Sorry guys, I'm driving crazy. I'm just trying to hurry up so I don't get caught. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Put it in neutral, let it roll back. You too there like a dome man. Oh my god, hurry up, go, 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 go. I'm so close to the crib. Oh, that's a big app. I'm going the faster way. Instead of going through the police station. Oh my god. Go. And they got cameras over there by these houses, bro. Obviously, he's famous. Guys, we got home. At least we got the car. Yeah, got my get back, bruh. Yeah, next up is the BMW. Yeah, we did that. Pro pad.
easy. All you need is a
Yeah.
pro pad. Plug it up.
Don't care what they say.
By the flow, man. Don't even start it up. Put it in neutral and let it roll.
Yeah, we let it roll back too.
YouTube, bro, I'm condone it.
Look at the. I don't even need the keys.
I couldn't even get a sweat off. Dog on fair and square, up the block, told them bet was off. I probably sold a couple pills before, but I don't mess with dog.
Purple torch. I should say my torch. I'ma change that thing. Next up the BMW, bro. For sure. But I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, make sure I hit the notification button before I get caught. So yeah, make sure. Yeah, I hope y'all like the video. Yeah, and your boy, and comment what game should I play next, cause I'm gonna keep posting about California betting. But your boy Kev is out. Peace.